song. Okay, so we're now on the last line of Largo. The first 5 measures are the same as the one at the top, except for one thing, maybe 2 things, depending on how you look at it. Who can find what's not the same? Garrett, do you know? Nope. That's not in the first 5 measures. Brinkley.
Oh, right here?
Yes. She's pointing at the second measure. Everybody look at that second measure. What is different compared to the one at the top? Asher?
The meat in the top is a 1.5.
Yes, it has a dot on it, right? And these 2 don't have any dots or flags. So you might put an arrow to that second measure to remind yourself that you can't play it like the top one. So it's just going to be do, 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 instead of do, 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 go do, okay? So I would put an arrow. I've got an arrow on mine. Yes, you have a question? We're not on that. We were on the first 5 measures. The first 5 measures are identical except for that second measure. Okay? I would put an arrow there or something to point at it to remind yourself.
I pointed at it.
Okay? So it's a little different right there. Second measure on the last line. All right. So we should really know how to play the first 5 measures. Do you see on the last 3 measures?
Yeah.
You're going to move your hand. Yeah, you're going to move your hand. Okay? So let's do this. I think it'd be easiest if I just show you on the piano, and I'll let somebody hold this for me. For Zuzu. Sorry, guys. I heard her first. Okay, so this part's the same. Okay, I'm going to play this very last part before we move our hands. Is everybody over here? Rylan, you need to come watch. Okay?
Is that good?
Yeah, it's probably fine. Okay, so I'm going to start right here. Okay, now, this is a C. It's actually the top do. You see it? And usually you would put your pinky on it, but you're not going to. It says 3. So you're going to, when you move, you're going to put 3 on that C or the top do. All right? If you do that correctly, the rest of the song is easy. Okay, so I've got, but you're not going to do solfege. You're just going to look as it up, down, skips, or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to play finger 3. 3, up, up, down, down, up, thumb, skip up. There, so see, there's the one that's tricky. And because my finger's in the right place, my thumb plays that note and I don't have to think about it. But let me show you what happens so you understand how important these numbers are. What if I put my pinky on that instead? Yeah, you can't even reach the notes, right? What if I put thumb on it instead? It works for a while. Who could show me what note that is?
Is it down there?
It's down here somewhere. Which one do you think it is?
That?
You're right. You got it right. The last class, they guessed this one, they guessed that one. I was like, no, that's the point. If you have the 3 on there, then you don't have to think about where that note is because your thumb's going to be on it. Does that make sense? So the numbers are important. So let me just I'll do this much with both hands. All right. So move my hand. This is still down, right? Up, up, down, down, up, thumb, C, skip up, C. Okay? Good. Thank you, everybody. You can stop.